Hello students, today we will see what is mail merge and what is the use of mail merge and how to do that mail merge in Microsoft Word. So first of all we'll see what is mail merge. Mail merge is one useful feature in Microsoft Word. So by using that you can send a letter to the multiple people with the same matter. Okay, the matter will be same and that same letter can be forwarded to number of people. So first I will open Microsoft Word in this system. So first click on start, then click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. So this is the window of Microsoft Word. So for creating a mail merge, first you should have the letter in your document. So already I have typed and kept that matter in notepad. So just I will copy that matter and paste it in Microsoft Word. So this is the matter. So I am going to send this matter for multiple people. So number of people will be receiving this letter. So for doing that mail merge, first you click on mailings option. In a mailing, click on start mail merge. So click on start mail merge. In that, first click on letters. So now already we have the letter in our document. If you do not have, directly you can type it here also. Then afterwards go for next step, that is type a new list. So just click on type a new list for creating the address list of the recipients, the people those who are receiving this letter. You have to create the address list. Now see here we have number of fields. So number of fields are given. We don't want this all the fields, we need very limited fields. So for that I am going to customize these columns. Okay, so this I am going to customize, in the sense unwanted columns I am going to remove. So for that click on customize columns and just I will select the field name and I will click on delete option. So just continue that same step for removing that all the fields. I am going to use the shortcut for deleting all the fields. So for deleting you can press the D and press Y key on your keyboard. So that is the shortcut key. Now you add your own fields by using add button. So just click on add button. First field I am going to add, that is name. Just type name and click on OK button. Then I am going to add second field, that is address. Then click on OK button. Next third I am going to add pin code. Okay, then click on OK button. Then last field I am going to add mobile number. Okay, mobile number, then click on OK button. So when the creation of fields gets over, then only you click on OK button, otherwise so don't click on OK button. So now I am going to add 4 fields. So my field list is ready. I am going to click on OK. So now this is the fields what I have created just now. Now I am going to add the values, data in that table. So in this database I am going to add the data. So first name I am going to add, that is Sandeep Angire. Address is Shirgutti. Pin code 591242. Mobile number, so I will enter randomly. So next, to take that cursor to the next row, just you can press the tab key on your keyboard or you can click on new entry button. So just click on new entry button to add the new record or new row. So now second name is Pradeep Patil. So Pradeep Patil from Chikkodi, 591201. Again mobile number, we'll add some numbers here. I will use a shortcut key to insert the new row. So that is the tab key. Just click on tab key to insert the next row. Next, Santosh Shah. Will add Nippani as the address. So I do not know the pin code of Nippani. So randomly I will enter one 6-digit number. Then I will add one number, okay, for the mobile field. So next row, Ajay. So Ajay Kulkarni, he is from let us add Chikkodi. So Chikkodi 591201, then phone number. So last field. So for my database, so 5 names are enough. I am going to generate this letter for 5 people. So last name Amol Patil, Belgaum. So Belgaum will add some numbers. So when the creation of this database gets over, then click on OK button. So when you will click on OK button, then system asks you to save the file. Okay, so already I have saved one file. I am going to save this database names. So names, just click on save button to save that file. So now here what happened, now letter is ready, data is ready, means recipient list is ready. I am going to insert that fields here and I am going to do the mail merge. So for that, first keep the cursor after 2. Okay. Then after keeping the cursor, just go to insert merge field option. Here you will get all the field names, the field which you have added in a database. So just click on name. Then I want my cursor to the next line. That's why I will press enter key to insert that next field to the next line. Then again I will press enter key to insert the next field. Then so one more field is remaining here. So mobile number. So after inserting the merge field, if you want to see the preview, just you can see the preview. Preview means how the letters are going to appear. So that is the preview. Or if you want to go for finish and for a final step, then you can click on finish and merge option. Just I'll click on finish and merge, and you click on first option in that finish and merge. Here they are given 3 options. So first one is all. All means total how many records are available in a database. For all those records, if you want to generate the letter, then you click on all, select this all and click on OK button. If you want to generate the letter only for current record, so select that current record and click on OK. And if you want to generate the letter from specific records, then you can give that values in from and to box and click on OK button. I am going to generate the letter for all the records in a database. I will select all and I will click on OK button. So here now my letters are ready. See, I created the database with the 5 records. So 5 letters are generated. So directly we can take the printout and we can cover it and we can post it. Okay. Thank you for watching.